Hello guys, welcome back to Hiram Jaipurkar YouTube channel, and this is your own channel. It's been a very long time since I last recorded a video. I'm back in the business again, and this is my hostel room. As you can see, we have changed the location. The topic of the video is how to build confidence in life and how to act confidently. As you know, confidence is very much essential into all fields of life, whether you are an artist performing on a stage in front of a large crowd, a sports person performing on in a stadium which is filled to its capacity. Wherever you go, the one thing which will follow you is confidence. So, and we can clearly see many great peoples, even if they excel in their field, somewhere they lack confidence. So let's start the video on actually how to build confidence and how to act confidently in every sphere of life. The very first tip which I will give is that get out of your comfort zone. I have been telling this long back in my all videos because comfort zone is the killer of all dreams. Now when I say comfort zone, it means that you just do the things which you feel comfortable in. You move around with people whom you are comfortable with. You do all the things which are in your regular routine. This is what we call comfort zone. Obviously, many things can be achieved even while you are in your comfort zone. But if you want to go that extra mile, do extraordinary things, then you must get out of your comfort zone and do that as early as you can, because most exposures which we can experience in our life only comes in our 20s and 30s. After that, even if you try, you will not be that energetic, you will not have that much time. So get out of your comfort zone as early as possible. One example which we can give is that a butterfly comes out of a cocoon. So that cocoon is your comfort zone, and when you break out of that cocoon is when you become a great butterfly, a very colorful butterfly, and everyone loves a butterfly but nobody loves a cocoon. So get out of that cocoon, experience, at least do one thing which is out of your routine every day, and eventually you will get out of your comfort zone and feel more confident expressing yourself, meeting new peoples and setting new heights. The second thing which I will say is that improve on those things which you are already good at. The thing which we do, which we are good at, is usually we are neglecting that thing because we think, अरे यार ये तो मेरे को पहले से आता है, इस पे और क्या काम करूं. But when you do things which you are already good at and you become a master of that thing, you are more confident into that domain. You go out, express yourself with your skills, with your profession. And again, I will tell this point that when you express yourself in front of a large audience or a great person, you directly connect with them, and your confidence is reflected by the things which you do, and you are master at that. So just improve on the things which you are good at already, become a master of it so that no one can beat you at that thing. The third thing which I would like to tell everyone about confidence is that also do things which you are bad at. As in the previous tip, you are improving on the things which you are already good at. In this tip, you work on things which you are not good at but you definitely want to try. Since our childhood, कुछ चीजें होती है जो हमें हमेशा से करनी होती है, but हम उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डरते हैं. We fear the things which we always want to do, like going out, talking with that girl in your classroom, expressing yourself in front of an audience which is of very great number, expressing yourself in front of that one person you live up to, your idol. So whenever your idol is passing by you, you just fear out and go into a corner and check them out from there. Do not do such things. Just improve on things which you always wanted to try. जैसे किसी को swimming पसंद है but हमेशा से करनी है, but we fear out, we don't have time, we give n number of excuses. Do not do that. Do the things which you have always wanted, which you are bad at. Like I always like camera attention, like I am recording this video and I am talking in front of camera, which I have always wanted. But in my previous videos I was fearful, I was not expressive, I just learned from a script and talked in front of camera. But right now I just have key points and I am expressing myself. So Do things which you have always wanted. Do, even if you are bad at it, just do it, and you will eventually feel confident in all spheres of life, including the things which you have always feared. Second is that positive affirmations. ये टर्म कुछ सालों पहले मार्केट में बहुत ट्रेंड हुआ था, पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस. कुछ भी हम बोल बड़बड़ किए जा रहे थे मिरर के सामने. व्हाट एक्चुअली पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस मीन्स इज दैट वी टॉक पॉजिटिव विथ आवर ओन सेल्फ. अभी like I'm 20 years old. I have spent 20 years alone with myself. Obviously we have all people in our life, but जो सबसे ज्यादा हम जिसके साथ रहते हैं that is our own self. आखिरी तक हम हमारे साथ रहने वाले हैं. So we must take care of our body and mind as well, because we will be with ourselves till the end of time. So it is important to talk positively with our own self, encourage ourselves. कोई अगर पीठ नहीं थपथपाता है तो खुद थपथपाओ और आगे बढ़ो. So that is the thing कि positive affirmations means you talk positively to your own self. We program our subconscious mind. जब हम सोते वक्त उठते वक्त एक ही चीज बोलते हैं कि I am successful, I have achieved this, या जो भी आपने अब तक लाइफ में किया है, you are proud of yourself. That is positive affirmations. And the other thing which we can look at for positive affirmations is repeatedly telling ourselves that I will be successful, or I am doing great, and I can improve on this and that. So this is the thing which is positive affirmations. Always talk positively. Imagine yourself that you are successful and talk positively to your subconscious mind, and everything will fall into place, because subconscious mind has that power to control our life. The fifth point is that visualize yourself being successful. Visualize yourself driving your dream car, living in your dream house, living the work which you have always wanted to do, earning a lot of money. When we visualize ourselves with these things, we eventually feel confident. We eventually feel like we have achieved that thing, and that confidence is radiated in our body language, in our talking. So just visualize yourself in every second of the day, and every hour you feel like you are doing something, you are done achieving those things, and you will eventually feel confident. So visualization is very, very important. Now everything is done and said. Like these 5 tips will improve immensely your confidence in all spheres of life. So I definitely hope you find this video somewhat helpful. And definitely it will reflect in your life if you follow these rules day by day and make it your lifestyle to follow these rules. Always visualize, and positive affirmations are very, very important. Act like a dominator in front of everyone. Fake it till you make it is the Guru mantra, right? So fake the confidence till you have that real confidence, because people cannot differentiate if a person is acting confidently or he is really confident. They just think that you are confident. So even if you fake confidence, that is also confidence. So thanks a lot again for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading regular videos twice a week as much as I can, and stick with me till the end. Thank you so much. I will see you again. Till then, fake confidence, act confidently, and you will eventually succeed. Thank you.